Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to import a CSV file in this notebook in Colab, and after we create the data frame from that file we are going to see how to clean the data frame. So let's start. I attached the code and the CSV file with this video. So each time we disconnect from Colab and connect again, we should run this code in the beginning to configure this work environment to run Spark code. So we have all this code here, the configuration code in the first cell. Click anywhere in this cell and run from here or shift enter. So I will run this from here, and we need to wait some time before this code is completed. And while we are waiting for the code to execute it, we can have a look at some of the features here in the Colab interface. If you click on any cell, you can see these icons. First one to delete the cell, second one is to create a mirror cell on tab, and we can also do some configuration. And if you click on these three dots, you may select the cell, copy cell, cut cell, or clear output. We see this green check. That means this code has been executed successfully. So we can see now we have Spark session in memory, Spark context, and we got the version of this Spark. So now our work environment here in this notebook is ready to type Spark code. First, we need to upload our dataset. Our dataset is about one of the company's cells. So let's upload this dataset, which also attached with this video. So to upload the dataset, we need to click on this icon. Click on this icon and select your CSV file from your PC. This is the data file, sales.csv, open. And as I mentioned before, if you are disconnected from this session here, the dataset here, the CSV file will disappear, and you need to upload it again and rerun the first cell here, this cell, the configuration code. So after we already uploaded this file here, CSV file, now we can read this file inside PySpark environment. And to do that, we are going to create a new variable here. We call it df equal spark.read.csv. This is the function to read the file, and we are going to save the data of this file inside this variable df. So df equals spark.read.csv between parentheses. This is the CSV file, sales.csv. This is the file from here, comma, header equal true. That means we need to use the first row in this dataset as headers. And after that, we need to see the data. Each time we need to see our data, we need to type the name of the dataset here, dot show. You may hit shift enter or just click on this run, and there we go. So let's have a look at our dataset. So this dataset or data frame is about sales. In the first column here we have the region, the second one the country, the third one is the item type. After that, the sales channel. If that sales transaction was offline or online, we have two types here. We have here the order date, the order ID, the ship date, unit sold, unit price, and unit cost. And the minimum granular level of data in this data frame is order ID. So order ID is the only piece of data that is not duplicated. In the next lesson, we are going to see how to verify and demonstrate our data. So stay tuned.